Call the case of the People versus Elizabeth L. Adams. Record should reflect that Ms. Adams is here representing herself pro se, having been qualified to do such. Is there any legal reason why sentence cannot be imposed, Ms. Adams?
No.
And is there anything you would like to say?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Yes, my name is Elizabeth Adams, and I'd like to thank you and Mr. Roberts for your attention to all of us throughout the trial, and particularly the conversation that you had with Ramsey Clark, which I found very impressive. The bread of justice must be baked by the people, plentiful, wholesome, daily. The bread of justice must be baked by the people, plentiful, wholesome, and daily. And you and all of us are the people. I wanted to and these are the people. And these people are the reason for my actions today, because they are as important to me as my own life and the life of my family members. To me, drones are an insidious, illegal vehicle of destruction that has expanded already exponentially to over 48 countries. And it is an extrajudicial robotic killing machine. Instead of being used to pave the way to constructing a livable future in our cities and towns, our intellectual and financial treasure, and if you pay taxes with your taxes, is being used to design, manufacture, test, market, sell, and use cowardly, unmanned aerial spying and killing vehicles to the tune of 5 to 10 million per vehicle. And it is said that this Reaper drone, the ones that spy as well as strike, will be quadrupled to nearly 536. Already the Air Force is training more remote pilots, 350 this year alone, than fighter and bomb pilots combined. And according to Ashton B. Carter, the Pentagon's chief weapons buyer, it's a growth market. It's a growth market. These machines have killed people innocent of any crime convicted in any court of law in countries in which we have not declared war. The United States of America's global drone program has developed an expensive extrajudicial robotic death squadron, each flying machine carrying 4 missiles and 2 bombs, which in the illegal war in Afghanistan, I believe it was illegal, and still is illegal, mistook firewood for guns and killed 9 boys like these. Carrying their precious fuel for heat and cooking to their homes. Your Honor, I could not, knowing of this activity of protest on April 22nd, stay home in Massachusetts in my comfortable place dwelling where I have plenty of food and I have, you know, a bed and comfortable place to sleep. The bread of justice must be baked by the people, plentiful, wholesome, and daily. And I believe that I'm disappointed in the decision that you made not to uphold the Constitution in this case, I believe, and the First Amendment, and then Article 6, Section 2, which does incorporate. That means pull all the parts of the international laws of which the United States of America is a signatory into it. And that we came, and I came that day to uphold the law, as I shared in testimony. And I know you have to do what you feel is right, and it's your conscience, but this was my conscience that day telling me what I needed to do. And I believe that we have to continue to do this. And even you, Your Honor, could make this someday a decision to stand with us, and you could too, Mr. McRoberts, stand with us, because it's going to take all of us to stop this giant, horrible drone program. Thank you.
Ms. Adams, I understand what you're saying, and I do understand your sincerity and your convictions. The sentencing judgment is court. You're sentencing concurrently on the two convictions of disorderly conduct to a 1-year conditional discharge, conditions being stay out of further trouble with the criminal justice system. I'm going to impose 20 hours community service with proof on or before 2/29/2012 at 5:00 p.m. I am imposing a $250 fine, $125 surcharge, and will ask the attendant to serve you with a summons with notice. If it is not paid by 2/29/2012 and there's no request for an extension based upon valid reasons, then it will convert to a civil judgment, which may affect your credit rating and or loan capabilities. You do have a right to appeal the sentencing judgment of this court. If you wish to appeal the sentencing judgment of this court, you have to file a notice of appeal with this court in duplicate. If you need the form for that, it is available on the New York State Court website. It's under notice of appeal. If you have trouble finding it, the court clerks can supply you with a copy of the form for that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.